If you've been uploading your YouTube shorts from your phone exclusively, it could be the reason that you're not getting a lot of views on YouTube right now. And that's because you're not adding 3 essential things that you need to make sure that you're adding to your videos. But unfortunately, you can only add these from a laptop, from a desktop, or from an iPad. So if you haven't been logging into something like that and changing 3 key settings, it's going to be the reason that you're failing to get the views or the subscribers that other people in your niche are getting right now. But the second that you make the changes I'm about to share with you in this video, it'll lead to an increase in the amount of views and the amount of subscribers that you've recently been getting. In fact, I just helped this creator make these changes and they gained over 30,000 subscribers in just 30 days. And I helped this creator make these changes and they gained over 20,000 subscribers. Now, if you want results like that, you need to make sure that you're turning on the 3 settings that I'm about to share with you in this video. But first, I need you to smash the subscribe button. If you want to grow quicker on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or even Facebook, I upload a video every single day about how to grow on these platforms. In addition to that, I created a free YouTube growth course. You can get it, the link in the pinned comment below. It's going to share with you things like the best hashtags to use in your YouTube shorts right now, because that will lead to an increase in views. What are you waiting for? It's literally free. Go to the link in the pinned comment below and get into it right now. The first setting that you need to make sure that you're uploading is categorizing your content. And I see so many creators skip out on this. And if you fail to categorize your content, well, then YouTube doesn't know who to push your content to, because YouTube is looking at all these different data signals to determine who they should be pushing your content to. For example, if somebody is searching for a how-to video, but you didn't set up your category as education and then how-to, well, then how does YouTube know that it's a how-to video besides you just putting it in the title? Which, yeah, that's great. You should be doing that, but you also need to make sure that you're categorizing it like that, because it's going to allow you to use more clickbait titles, and ultimately it's just going to allow you to make better titles. For example, if you made a video, how to get views on YouTube Shorts, and you categorize that as how to, that's great. That might rank well. But if somebody else comes along and says, do this to get a ton of views on YouTube, that's actually a better video because it's more direct and it actually solves the person's problem, which is what YouTube is trying to solve here by adding categories. So if you categorize that as how to, then YouTube knows this is a how-to video, but you were able to use a better title to increase the click-through rate that you're gonna get. And ultimately, you're gonna end up getting more views and you'll probably rank higher than the other individual. Now, I know I just gave a very specific example for my niche, but this happens across all niches. And quite frankly, it's probably easier to make a title that's going to have a higher click-through rate that doesn't say how to in any niche. But just choosing the right title, it's not enough. You also need to make sure that you're adding tags, because if you're not adding tags to your YouTube shorts, well then again, YouTube has absolutely no idea who to be pushing your content to. You see, YouTube looks at a few different things when they try to determine who they should be pushing your content to. The first thing that they're going to look at are your subscribers or people that have watched your videos before in the past. They're gonna surface the videos to them, and if they don't show any interest in it, which happens to a lot of you small channels, well then YouTube has no idea who to push your content to. And this is why your videos get stuck at less than 1,000 views, why they're getting stuck at less than 2,000 views, or why you might be getting 0 views on YouTube, because YouTube has absolutely no idea who they should be pushing your content to based off of everything else that you've uploaded, because the new video might be nothing like that, or you might have forgot to add tags to the piece of content. Now you need to make sure that you're adding 450 characters of tags. I know there's 500 characters, but I wouldn't exceed a 500 character limit because YouTube won't let you do that. And I wouldn't put it up to 499 because that kind of just looks like spam. I would keep it at 450 characters. And what you want to do, you want to make sure that anything that is relevant to your video, anything that has anything to do with it, is what you're putting in those tags. And you want to make sure that you're putting misspellings in there, that you're just putting broad thing that somebody might find your channel under. For example, if you're doing Get Ready With Me, you're going to want to have it be fashion. You're going to want to be the brands that you're doing. You're going to want to be for date night or whatever the case is. You want it to be as specific to that thing and as broad as possible, because you're going to have 450 characters, which is a lot to fill up. And I wouldn't overthink this, because YouTube has literally come out and said that meta tags do not make or break a video, but if you're a new channel, it could help them get your videos discovered. Now, the last thing you need to make sure that you're doing with your YouTube content is adding in a description. I see so many people mess this up. I see them put a link immediately in the description. I see them put a description that has absolutely nothing to do with anything. I see them copy and pasting the same description across all their content, and you shouldn't be doing those things. You can have your links in there, you can have affiliate things in there, but ideally in the first 2 to 3 sentences, you want to have something that's describing the video, and you need to make sure that you have the same keywords showing in your title, in your tags, and in your description, because doing those 3 things is going to be the trifecta that's going to allow YouTube to accurately determine who they should be pushing your content to. Now, if your content doesn't get a lot of views in the first 24, 48, 72 hours, well, it could still get views. In fact, YouTube Shorts, the majority of them that end up going viral or ending up getting a lot of views, it happens on day 5, day 6, or day 7. The reason being is because YouTube begins to discover who they should actually be pushing that piece of content to because of the metadata, and then they're able to push it to them. Those people like that video, they're satisfied, you get a high amount of watch time, you get a high click-through rate depending on where the placement is on the YouTube video, and then what ends up happening is YouTube then pushes that content to other people that look like that like crazy, and this is how YouTube videos go viral. But had you forgotten about those 3 steps and not implemented them, well, your video might not have ever gone viral as a small channel. Now, if you want to get more subscribers on YouTube right now, guaranteed, well then you need to keep watching this video because I've got a special offer for you. The opportunity to grow on YouTube and this organic reach that we're currently seeing is not going to last forever. And there are 2 things holding you back right now. The first one is that you haven't implemented everything that I just shared with you in this video. And the second is that you haven't gotten into my YouTube mentorship program yet, which literally is going to guarantee that I help you get more subscribers on YouTube in the next 30 days, or you get your money back, 0 questions asked. In fact, the average person that's gone through this program in the last 30 days has gained over 31,000 subscribers. And the lowest amount of subscribers anybody has ever gained is 1,000 subscribers if they implement everything that I share with them in this video. If you want results like that, please go to the link in the description below and sign up right now, because if you're still watching this video, I'm gonna guess that you're above average. So the odds of you getting over 31,000 subscribers in a 30-day period is probably quite high. And if you don't remember, you need 1,000 subscribers in order to get monetized on YouTube. So this is a perfect opportunity for you to make more money from YouTube and for you to set yourself up to become a full-time YouTuber. In fact, I'm going to tell you exactly what to post, when to post, what hashtags to use, again, to guarantee that you get more subscribers on YouTube. If you don't get more subscribers in the next 30 days, I will give you your money back, 0 questions asked. And it doesn't matter what your background is or what your niche is. This program is designed to help you get more subscribers faster and easier. Ultimately, it's going to get you more subscribers or your money back. This creator just went through it and gained over 100,000 subscribers. This creator over 150,000 subscribers, and this creator over 400,000 subscribers. And I want you to be my next success story, and I want you to be the next person that makes a full-time living from YouTube. So please go to the link in the description below, sign up right now. You literally have absolutely nothing to lose. You're gonna get more subscribers or you're gonna get your money back. If you're not interested in those 2 things, please watch the next 2 videos I put up on the screen, because they're the videos YouTube thinks you should watch next. Thank you so much for watching.